Hi, it's Olga, and today we'll paint this easy Misty Mountains forest in Procreate App. I'm going to use 3 brushes from my Watercolor and Metallic set, and 2 pine tree brushes from my Winter Chill brush set. But you are free to use any brushes that you already have. Let's go. Here is my rough sketch to mark the places where the mountains will be. I choose this deep indigo blue color, and brush called Wet on Wet 1. Slightly press on your canvas for light blue color base. The closest hills to the horizon will be the lightest hues. Work from light to dark hues like we usually do with watercolor paints in real life. Press on harder for more vibrant color hues. Still use the same indigo blue color. Extremely wet ink 1. Extremely wet ink, white color. Pine Tree Hills 1. Pine Tree Hills 4. Vary the size and opacity of trees. And the latest step is blending the trees and hills together with Drip Blender brush. Here is our creation. Have fun!